What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed LinkedIn posts into your WordPress website. Simple, easy, without API, without plugins, just in a simple method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to the LinkedIn and find the post that I would like to embed. In my case, I would like to embed this one right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the post. Here is the post. Then review the upper right corner of the post. There is 3 little dots right here. Click on it. Then we have save, copy link to post, embed this post, delete, who can comment and who see this post, embed this post. Then you can embed with less text or embed the full post, okay? You have 2 options right here, and any option generate a new code. I'm gonna embed with less text, and here's the code. Click on copy code. Go to a WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over pages or posts, and find the place where you would like to embed this post. You can embed into a previously made post or create a new one, okay? I'm gonna create a new one, so I'm gonna click into this plus button right here to add a block and search for the HTML block with this guy right here. You can search for custom HTML. Then click on edit HTML and place your code right here. Just like this. Let's publish the content. And let's see the post. And here is the post. Simple and easy. And if you choose the entire content, you can even embed an article on LinkedIn in the case that you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to choose the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.